Hello, everyone. Today, we have the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Join me as we unbox this flagship device and explore what's inside. As we open the sleek and sturdy box, we are greeted by the Samsung logo and the device's name. Let's lift the lid and reveal the contents inside. Lifting the top layer, we find the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra nestled in its protective covering. The color and finish may vary depending on your choice, but in this case, we have the striking, light blue variant, which is exclusive for Samsung online stores. Right away, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra catches the eye with its stunning design. The device feels premium, and the attention to detail is evident. Beneath the device, there's a dedicated compartment for accessories. Samsung has included a USB-C cable and, of course, the SIM card ejector tool. As we delve deeper, we discover the user manual, warranty information, and any additional promotional materials. Samsung often includes some surprises, so be sure to check for any hidden compartments. Let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The large, vibrant display dominates the front, and the device houses an impressive array of cameras on the rear, promising exceptional photography capabilities. The device's chassis is crafted from platinum, providing a solid and substantial feel in hand. Samsung continues its commitment to quality, ensuring durability while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. Turning on the device for the first time, we are greeted by the familiar Samsung boot animation. The setup process is user-friendly and ensures a smooth start to your experience with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Its design not only reflects cutting-edge technology but also serves as a testament to Samsung's commitment to delivering a visually captivating and premium device.